This overlap nosing, you see this part should be laid on the floor like this, on the stair. When you put it, it's feel too high. I will show you. Hold it. If you have a look on it, you see how it's high. And also, if you have a look, it's wavy. And when we will check it, we offer to make these nosings. You see, square nose, this square nose. Hope this nosing will look much better if you have a look on it. We already installed stairs, almost all stairs. And you see how it's nice and flat. You just lock it and that's it. And it's very easy to install. Just like this. Make it lock because it's from the same block. Okay. Many of customers now prefer to get flat with nosing stairs than overlapping. Now I'm gonna show you whole process how to install this curved staircase. So first of all, I took grinder and remove all dirt and paint from the stairs. Also there is the plywood has some chipping out and it's help with grinder to make it nice and flat. So next step, I took oscillation tools and some piece of scrap of this vinyl floor and undercut the stringers. You see, because there is have some curved and hard to make radius. Easiest way, if you make threads and riser a little bit longer and slide it in, it help you to make your job more clean. Next step, I measure with stair jig dimension of riser. Then I took one piece of vinyl flooring and cut off the lock. So usually when I'm doing with hardwood, I don't have to cut lock because floor is higher than lock. Lock only quarter, material 5/8. But this is, very just quarter-inch material. It's hard to work. So I'm not removing underlay. I'm installing floor stairs, vinyl on stairs with underlay. So a riser higher than material, and because it's 7.5 height of the stairs, vinyl plank little bit shorter. That's why I lock little piece on top and then cut 7.5, and after that I transfer from stair gauge dimension to this piece and cut on miter saw exactly follow these lines, two lines. If you remember, I told you when I undercut the stringers, riser should be a little bit longer, and when I measure not with knife, which is exactly shows the dimension. I put marks with pencil. It's give it to me 1/8 plus, and it's I can slide it in. Also, I will shave this eraser. You see, I make a mark with pencil. Some side is higher, some side it's longer. It's not exactly 7.5. So, and now it's exactly so. This is the piece I made exactly the bottom dimension for like nosings. I transfer dimension to the step, and then with stair jig, you see that I make line exactly measure dimension of nosing. I put pencil on you see the right side because it's the staircase curved in, and very difficult to take exactly dimension. When I put pencil, it's helped me to make exactly dimension of this nosing. So I always mark with pencil, make it little bit bigger, because sometimes I need to repeat some curve. And you see, I check one side, another side. I did some little cuts. I didn't show it, but I did it, and then this nosing exactly fit to its own place. Now I'm measuring what kind of thread should be. It from riser on top of stairs and till the nosing from one side and another side. Very simple to do as the threads. You have to repeat the same like I did riser, just lock two pieces, mark from one side, for example 4.5, and mark from another side 10.25 or 10.5, whatever. I don't remember how much I measure. Then I use stair jig. I repeat this curved, and then transfer this dimension to vinyl planks and cut it. So I did this thread little bit bigger, like I told you, around 1/8, maybe a little bit more, and then when I slide it in under the stringer, you see it looks very clean, no any gaps. Then I'm using construction glue. Always I put on both sides glue, and under the riser then I put thread and lock the nose. Use hammer, rubber hammer, to settle this step, and I'm using for the stairs 3/4 inch pin nails. I just secure thread close to the riser, and I put couple of nails on the both sides of the nose. I don't want to do it more, because sometimes nosing not going through these steps and chipping out. So be very careful with nails. You see, also I did this curved. I hit with heat gun this material and bend it. Nice stairs, huh? Isn't it? I hope this video was helpful for you. If you're very interested or have some question, don't hesitate to ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.